Revision to version 487. Users of the free app can watch ads to unlock characters. Remember that you must have an active premium subscription if you want to create your character, use the characters in your videos, or export those videos. Users with a current subscription will not see the ads option. Unfortunately, again, comics preview button and share button are not working. Same as umbrella. And the rain effect. I hope it gets fixed one day. Exporting time on this version is quite acceptable, about 2 minutes for 10 frames.
I have good news, sir.
Please tell me.
We don't have crashes this time.
Those are great news, Ryan. Thank you.
Bye now.
Subscribers, thank you very much. Thanks for watching.